the plan. Down the west coast of France, over the Pyrenees, through Andorra, down through Spain a bit, get a ferry from somewhere over to Algeria. Maybe get a visa for Libya, but probably not. More realistically, Tunisia. And then back through Italy, and then I don't really know, Schengen, they'll kick me out back to the UK. You bought too much? I doubt it.
Whole focaccia, half of the cake. It's gonna be muddy ahead. Muddy? Yeah. Yeah, probably.
Oh, do you want to go on the road?
I don't know.
Well, it's like this. About a mile. And then you can come into the car park.
G'day. I missed a turning and now we're on the road, which is actually a lot faster. We're making much better progress than on the Eurovelo.
It's old and a bit evaporated.
Yeah, when it's cold it's harder to light, hey? There it goes.
It's finished come.
Coffee prepared. This is a luxury that I cannot get used to. Yay, the sun came out on our coffee break. Warm my cold little hands. One of the nice things about cycling the Eurovelo route is that when you miss a turning, you often end up on a more direct route to your destination. Morning. Muriel just wants to drink, but I want to say cheers. Thanks, Muriel.
Cheers.
Thank you for such a lovely weekend.
Thanks for the company.
Guinness, I couldn't. Thank you. I couldn't find anything English. Guinness will have to do.
I'm on turkey beef. One each?
Yes, please.
Thank you. Not counting Christmas dinner, the only roast I've had in the UK. The French flag? Yeah. Nearly there. There goes Muriel, all by myself. G'day, on your right. No worries, thank you. Was making a funny sound and it's fallen off. What do you do about that? Screw it back on, I suppose. That's weird. The bike shop said the pedals were loose, so he tightened them. I guess he over tightened it, so I still have a ferry to catch in 15 kilometres tomorrow lunchtime, so I'm sort of limping on, pedalling mostly with my right foot. It occasionally makes an awful grating sound, but I suppose it's fairly easily solved in Calais, hopefully. Sun has set. I'm in a pretty damp forest, but this little mound here is a little bit less damp than the rest, so this is where I'll be camping tonight. Leftover Chinese food. Thanks, Muriel. Thanks for everything, Muriel. What an amazing weekend. Back on the road, home sweet home, with Chinese food in the tent.